So this is the MOB marker. I hope you know the use of it. This is exactly how the name says, man overboard marker or man overboard light and smoke signal. This is to throw in case there is a man overboard. This is to locate the person. Why we have a smoke signal and the light signal? Smoke signal is for the daytime, and for the night time we have the lights. So this is going to actually help to locate. This is going to help the ship staff and the search and rescue team to help to locate the person who has fallen, and this will locate the position of the life buoy. Once it will be in the water, you can just from the far you can locate the person. That's the basic purpose. So this is the pin. If you will remove this pin will come out, the lifeboat will go straight away down, and this rope you see is connected to the MOB. So with the weight, this will get activated, smoke will come out, still the rope will be connected to the MOB, and MOB will go down with the lifebuoy. You can see this is the light. Once you remove this pin, it will get activated. I remove this pin, and now it is activated. Every time it will be in this position, but once it is in the water, it will be like this. So I keep it back. There are 2 for each MOB. So this is going to be installed this way, like this. This is for the nut and the screws. Lifebuoy will go down, this will get disconnected from here, smoke will be released, and this marker will go down with the lifebuoy. That's how this is the installation procedure. Whatever I told you, this is exactly remove pull tag from the base of light. That was the base of the light. This we removed and it was activated. And screw light firmly into the float. This is the float. Install MOB with bracket on board, fasten locking nuts. So this is what I was telling you. This will be going with the bracket on the ship. Actually they have also given one bracket, this one. You can accordingly set yours on the ship. And next they are selling that connect pull cord of signal to lifebuoy line. So this is the line, but you have to extend it. Actually this is not exactly 3.6 meters, minimum 3.6 meters it should be. So this is they have given, and you have to connect this one, or maybe splice it, or maybe with a bowline you have to connect it with the lifebuoy. And these lights are capable of burning around 2 hours, and orange smoke you can have it around 15 minutes. And this lights intensity is 2 candela. Gross weight of this unit is 3.85 kg, and this is explosive. For outdoor distress signaling, only keep out of reach of children. If found, do not touch. Notify Coast Guard, Fire Marshal or Police. Lithium batteries do not incinerate, recharge or tamper. Do not use if damaged or dented. Do not use in a confined space. Produces Dense orange smoke, do not inhale. If injured, seek medical advice. Keep away from the sources of heat. Do not dismantle, do not use after expiry date. So yes, this was expired. That's why we had to change it. And right now I just made the labels saying these are expired. 2 Manoverboard markers are expired. So we changed already the new ones. I have already changed. They will be expiring in 2023, and this was expiring in October 2020. So we had to change it. We were planning it for a long time because this is a very risky job. And the weather was very rough, so we did it today. And the weight of the life buoy which we will be using is not less than 4 kg. That maybe we already know about this. And let's see what does the manual say. So we have a very small and brief manual about this. Testing the lights. The signal is designed to be fit and forget for its entire service life. Annual testing of light is not required. The LED lights are operated by a lithium battery and a tilt switch. They will remain off until the signal is turned upright. If a signal test is required, each light unit can be carefully unscrewed and removed from the holder in the float. Hold unit upright to turn the light on. Screw units firmly back into holders. Take care not to drop the lights. Yes, that is very important, not to drop the lights. Otherwise you will have to turn the whole ship and to only get the lights back. Operating instruction. In case of a man overboard, throw life buoy overboard and the signal will be released automatically. Attached, just because of the weight. You throw the light, there will be a weight. This 4 kg life buoy creates tension on this line. Signal produces dense orange smoke. Remove pin and weight of life buoy will automatically release the signal. Yeah, that's what I have told. Signal produces dense orange smoke for 15 minutes and white light for 2 hours at 2 candela minimum. They have given mounting instruction. Weight of the life buoy 4 kg. Connection line 3.6 meters. Manufacturer tested to 100 meters. So the this is tested up to 100 meters. You can the maximum mounting height can be 100 meter, but maximum approved mounting height is 56 meters only. So this is a specific operating instruction of Comet Pain's Wessex life buoy. This MOV markers. You can have on your ship a different one, but the procedure will be same. That's it for now. These were the MOV markers. Okay, that was it, guys. That's I think maximum I know about MOV markers. And if anything else you can do, tell me. I will love to know. And that's what I'm doing, sharing knowledge, nothing else. Okay, bye bye, take care, namaskar guys. Thanks for watching.